Hi, welcome to Easy Learning Economics. I'm Dr. Caval. Today we are talking about the fundamental principle of macroeconomics. As we know that the macroeconomic is the study of the economy as a whole and how does it functions. In this lecture we shall learn about this. The principle of macroeconomics directly impact almost every area of life. The macroeconomic decisions affect the employment, government welfare and availability of goods and services, the way nations interact with one another, the price of food in the shops. Almost everything is affected. We live in capitalist world. So understanding the principles of macroeconomic is an essential part of understanding the world at large. The first principle of macroeconomic states that the overall level and growth of income and output in a nation is determined by the interaction of the household, firms, government as they produce, exchange, consume, save and invest through market. So whatever the level of income will be decided on the activities which are being performed by the household, firms, government. Physical and human capital accumulation and technological advances are the primary means by which the standard of living grows in modern economies. Third principle is that in the long run, as we know, in the long run is the period during which all costs are variable, and that the prices for the factor, especially the prices for the labor wages, can be renegotiated and the firm can shift in the long run from one place to another place or install a new machinery to meet the market demand. So in the long run, market prices balance supply and demand, and in the firm produces the potential level of output and there are no price shocks, so that the resources availability determines production and income independently of aggregate demand. Real wages and employment are determined by the scarcity of labor and labor value in the production of goods. What the wages are to be paid to the laborer, it depends upon the supply of labor and the amount of the labor required to produce goods. So the real wages are those wages which are expressed in terms of dollar of constant purchasing power, that how much wages can buy the amount of goods and services in an economy. Real interest rate, it means this is the inflation adjusted rate, or the real interest rate, it means that the nominal interest rate minus inflation. So real interest rate are determined by borrowing and lending in financial markets and influence savings, consumption and the allocation of resources over time. So the real interest rate are expressed as the amount of goods and services that the real wages could buy. In the short run, the fluctuation in aggregate demand and the quantity of money can cause recession and unemployment owing to market rigidities. Now, as we know that the short run is the period during which the firm, some of the inputs remain fixed, especially the labor contracts remain fixed, and firm has not sufficient time to shift from one place to another place or install a new machinery or plant, but firm can bring the changes in the output by bringing the changes in variable factors by keeping the fixed factor becomes fixed. So in the short run there are price surprises, price shocks, and the economy is not producing to the potential level of output. There might be a contractionary gap or expansionary gap in the economy. So in the short run, fluctuation in aggregate demand and the quantity of money can cause recession. The monetary policy and fiscal policy are tools which are available to the government to stabilize the economy, but expectations of policy can profoundly influence how macro policies work. As we know that monetary policy is used to control the money supply, which is regulated by the central bank, to influence the overall economic activity and to achieve the macroeconomic objectives of price stability, economic growth. And fiscal policy is also the set of measures taken by the government to influence the aggregate economy through the fiscal measures of the government purchases, taxes, transfer payments to achieve the macroeconomic objectives of the full employment and economic growth and price stability. So the monetary policy and fiscal policy are basically the tools available to the government to stabilize the economy. This is all about the fundamental principle on the basis of which the macroeconomics functions. If you have any suggestions, let me know your feedback or any future request. If you like this video, in the last but not least, please and click the subscribe button so that new information about upcoming videos you should receive. So thanks for watching.